Hi Chakits, I have been following you and watching your YouTube channel for years.
I have decided to finally relocate to Las Vegas and want to start a new chapter in my life. I know you're the perfect realtor to help guide me to find my next dream home. I am looking for a modern kitchen, large backyard with a pool and a golf course community.
My name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I help buyers like this all the time, so if you're looking for a licensed professional, give us a call at 702-319-1092 or visit lvhomeexperts.com. Buying a home starts here. All right, what's going on everybody? Another day, another property tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today, I'm here on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley, just right off the 215 and Ann Road. As you can see, we can see the Las Vegas Strip from here. The community that I am in is Centennial Heights. This is a project by Lennar. These are actually townhomes, and you have 4 townhomes. Now, unfortunately, there's 2 townhomes I can't get in today because they are doing some work. Now, I did do a full video home tour on the Calvin, so that's something to take a look at. That was actually a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,476 square feet, and that was that end cap over here. But now, we're gonna get into the Adam, which is a 3 bedrooms, 2-bath, that is 1,188 square feet. Pricing here will be around $325,000 to $365,000. We're gonna explore this property, look at it into detail. We're gonna find out what's going on. So it looks like we have a Bryant air conditioning unit. Now, one of the concerns that people have, especially with these townhomes, is there gonna be a lot of noise between one neighbor and another. What happens is you have about a 24-inch wall that separates, and in between there's another insulated wall, and it has more like of insulation and also like a sound barrier in between too as well, so you won't be able to hear your neighbors, which is, I think, is a cool thing. Now this one's a little bit unique because this is more of an interior unit. You do have a nice little courtyard or covered patio area, I would like to say. With this, you get a lot of things with this home. So as you can see, you get the Ring doorbell, you get this Yale push button. However, give me just a second because I need to enter my secret code. So don't look now. Let me put the code in because I can only get the code. I'm almost done. Hang tight. Here we go. Got the code. I'm in, baby. Let's see what this thing looks like. Now we're gonna look at this for the first time together. Okay? That's the best way to do it. Just look at it together. So this one right here, as soon as you walk in, obviously this is like apartment style living. Everything's all kind of like tight, but it's also cozy at the same time, which is kind of cool. You get that open concept. Ceilings are 8-foot ceilings. The texture on here, you got more of your skip trowel type of texture, kind of gives you that alligator print look. As we come in, the flooring here, these are 8 by 8 feet long, okay? Typically, you're just gonna get tile and carpet in certain areas like the living room. Let's take a look over here. I'm gonna come on this side. Let's see how it looks from this angle here. I mean, you can't have too much people in here. About 5 people is probably going to be max. Other than that, it's going to be a little bit cramped. But I do like it because I feel nice and cozy here. We got the 2-car garage. I'm sure it's insulated as well. You got the Petrofina on the top. You got shaker cabinets. On this one is gray. They're not full overlays. However, the cabinets, I believe, on this one is soft closing cabinets. I definitely would get some hand pulls on here. And these cabinets are, I'm going to say, more of a grade B type of cabinets, which is nice. Okay. You got your upgrade on your backsplash. Okay. 36 inches on the upper cabinets with a 3-inch crown. Now, I'd probably get rid of that crown. I would probably do more of a straight edge on the crown so that way it gives you more of that modern look. You have the GE package appliances here, okay? You have the LiftMaster with the MyQ app. You got your Sting alarm, straight edge cornering, and your standard 3-inch on the baseboards. Actually, those are 4 inches. Thermostat here, Sunrise is the installers. Wow, this is a pretty large quarter bath. Very large, a lot larger than mine. Now, as far as like the attention to detail on some things, it's, you know, it's not all there. But that's just my opinion, but let's take a look at it here. You can see this little divot here, and this is where that drywall meets, and it just wasn't that seamless. I mean, you could really feel it. However, that's an easy fix. But again, it's just those attentions to details as you're coming through the home, right? During your inspections and your walks, okay? We got the standard carpet. Nice wide staircase. I mean, it is a little bit steep. However, again, for the price, can't complain. HOAs here are $112 a month. Additional cabinets. Primary off to the right-hand side. We have a king-size bed. You're able to put 2 nightstands, which is great. However, we have a TV and the Smurf tube on this side. But then you have the window here. This is what sucks, because now you're limited to what you can really do, because the unit is a center unit, right? Now you can't really put your TV over here or your bed here, because it's just not going to line up right. So now you will need like some sort of articulating stand for your TV. You got your thermostat here too as well. And the thing about this is, this doesn't make any sense. We have our second thermostat here, right? You got your return line that goes here, your transfer duct, but it doesn't go into the unit. If you have a flat screen TV here, you have this thermostat here. How big of a TV can you fit? In addition to that, let's say if you wanted to do a bigger TV, it covers this. The heat that's dissipating from that TV is going to change this thermostat. Does that make sense? Let me know in the comments below. These are things that you need to think about. 12 by 24 on the tile. You have a sink here and a sink here. Walk-in shower. Not bad. This is more of a starter type of home than anything, folks. But I tell you what, at $365,000, let me show you what I can do with $365,000. Because right now at $450,000, you can get a pretty nice home, believe it or not, and you'll have some options. And that's just my opinion. I want you guys to have some options. And also, when you're buying a home, let's buy a home the right way, the smart way. What we have here? Another bedroom. Cool. Cool. Laundry room right here. Don't know why they don't have a drain pan, which is you should have a drain pan. You're probably like, oh, where are the doors? Well, the doors are here. Reason why they have them closed, so that way it just kind of gives you more of an open space as you're walking through. I know that this is a very short video. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, hey, one of the things that we do offer our clients, and if you're thinking about purchasing a home, number one, there's no charge. Number two, what we do now is if you are interested in a home and you would like to see a private video home tour, reach on out to us. Send us an email. Send us the property that you would like to do a video home tour on. And you know what? We're going to customize your video home tour. That is right. Just for you. So, reach on out to York at chakits.ckg@gmail.com and say, York, I want a personalized video home tour. Here's the address. Can you make it happen? And we'll see what we can do. But all I need you to do is go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and write out a comment. Other than that, I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.